guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today you're gonna be getting ready with me for high school, first school. I'm running kind of late, so I'm gonna just get started. I already primed my face. So normally I don't put on this much like face stuff. I normally just put on concealer, but because I'm making a video, I'll put some on. That was a lot. I just put on, when I do put on like face stuff, I'll put on BB cream. I'll mix it with my Fit Me foundation. I put more BB cream than foundation itself, or it's like the same amount. So today is the first day of Senior Assassins. If you guys don't know, that's basically just like a game for seniors. So there's groups of 4 and they assign you a group that you have to kill with water guns or like water balloons or a bucket of water or something, but you have to record it. And like the last team standing gets like this money. You know what I like is that they said that you could wear any Crocs, and I was like, good, because I have Crocs but not the ones with the holes. They're like little slides, but it's the brand Crocs, like they're Crocs. And I was like, good, because I didn't want to buy like another pair, you know. I'm putting on LA Girl Fit Me foundation. Putting on the LA Girls Pro Concealer. Next, I'm gonna put on the Fit Me loose finishing powder in 15. Anyways, I was planning on making this like a get ready with me while listening to my phone just said like no memory, and I had to like delete some stuff and transfer some stuff, and I'm even more late. But I'm setting my concealer with the Fit Me loose finishing powder. And I was gonna say, what was I saying? I was saying something. Oh yeah, I was gonna say that originally I was planning on making this video like a get ready with me while listening to my favorite songs, because I've done that before, but I didn't make the album. Like when I do those songs, when I do those kinds of videos, I like making the album so that I don't have to look for my favorite songs. Like it's just all in one album, and I just put like shuffle while I get ready. So I'll probably make a video like that soon, because I wanted to do it today, but yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in with this Estee Lauder, or however you say it, blush. I'm not even gonna go in with anything else because I'm in such a rush that I'm just gonna like put this on. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know what to wear. I need a new mascara. If you guys know any good drugstore mascaras, let me know, because I like getting new mascaras. Like trying different ones until I find like the one. Okay, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I'll be back. It's time to pick an outfit, and I don't really know. This is weapon number 1. Weapon number 2, this one's travel size. Weapon number 3, the bazooka. I did my hair in braids, and it's actually the first time that I do it in braids, because Normally my hair is too short to do it in braids, where to the point where I have to put like so much bobby pins, and this time I only put like a couple. So I don't know, man. I don't know. So I didn't know what to wear, so my outfit is like really basic, and like I'm just wearing these because. So that's it for today's video. That's my get ready with me. That is me about to go to school, and yeah, my ride be here. So bye. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys